team. Please collect your medals from the presentation.
Man of the match Omkar Mehta, best batsman Meet Karani and best bowler Yash Joshi. Meet Hardik Mehta at the presentation area to collect your trophies and medals.
From presentation counter.
5 overs 35 for West Indies now.
No loss. India needs 1 wicket. And Roston, Chev and Shehot are building it big from here. Abhishek Sharma dropped a lolly in Bumrah's over. We need a big breakthrough now, guys. India needs to reach the finals. Semi-finals first. Next match, Bhumi Realty versus Torpedix. Two big giants will knock their horns. Bhumi won the toss and they have decided to bowl first. Bhumi won the toss and they have elected to bowl first.
Both champion teams of top cricket. They have won a lot of championships, but now only one of them qualifies ahead. So it's a big match. Two very good teams, friends. Vijay Dada versus
बल्लेबाजी 40 वेस्ट इंडीज 40 रन पे 5.3 no wicket lost.
one big innings from Kaushik Bhai. Okay, let's set the field. The batsmen are ready. Torpedix with Kunal Parekh and Pompey Kshatriya.
The sad part, only one team out of these two big teams will go ahead in the tournament. One will have to depart and watch India, West Indies. West Indies are killing it currently. We need wickets. India needs wickets.
Okay, let's start and focus on the eliminator now. Bhumi.
Eliminators begins. Kunal Parekh on strike. Pompey on non-strike. Smiling, looks positive. Sarvesh will bowl the first over. Let's start. Let's go.
Hello. Full toss.
Tichkule is back. He is energetic. Catch it ball and that's dropped. They could not afford dropping catches. Kunal is in great touch. He is the second batsman of the tournament. Do not forget that.
Request Cricket Titans and Omsai Vikings to have their dinner.
It's a wide ball.
Dinner has started. White ball.
Right. 3 runs, 2 balls. And he was bowled in.
I said the same thing, JP.
Okay.
Wicket number 1 down for Torpedix.
Wow.
Break of voice here.
Wow.
This is what happens when you're commentating from the last 2 days. Amir is the next batsman walking in.
Amir, the next
the
man.
game.
Young and talented. Amir.
From the time he's bowling, he's changed the game for Bhumi.
He has an interesting stance, I see. From towards Derek, the bowler. Number 5. Catch it! catches have been dropped. If Bhumi wants to win this, they can't make such mistakes. And that's a big hit. What a shot. For a six.
Is it drop his catch?
Catch छूटा या मैच छूटा. Last ball. That's good throw. And that's 11 of the first over with the loss of 1 wicket. Next bowler. Next bowler is Mahendra Singh Agarwal. Sandy. Catch it! Pitch clear! Makes no mistake! Very important catch. Catches will give you victory. Catches will win you matches.
Ball was falling away from him. Spinning ball not easy to catch. Good and well taken from Dheeraj Tishkulja.
The T did work for Tishkulja. Kaushik Bhai on strike and running like a cheetah. Takes a single. Kunal on strike. Sandy by white ball. No ball. That's a no ball.
For side arm.
You need to be in your limits in such tournaments. It's quite strict here.
This is All Stars Legacy League.
All Stars Legacy League Season 2.
Next year we are preparing Kanhailu. Very strict.
Next edition would have cheerleaders.
Goes on fire services.
And that's a wicket. Very important wicket of Kunal.
Walks in, Smarty.
Walks in the shark of the sea. Smarty. All eyes on the ground, guys. This is going to be interesting. And Smarty starts with 4 runs.
On the back foot, using another Jimmy Sports bat.
Jimmy Sports. He is such a brand ambassador, I must say. Okay. White ball. Over the covers. For a single, gets Kaushik Bhai on strike. And he's out. Kaushik Bhai has been stumped by Aryan MVP, Icon of Bhumi LT. Score is 22 with the loss of 4 wickets after 2 overs. Next man walking in, the owner and skipper, the legend himself, Vijay Dada.
Batsmen are ready, timer is on. Just reminding, timer is on.
Next bowler comes in, Tanmay Shinoy. This is a very good
22.
gamble. Tanmay. Big responsibility. Nova. Nova. That's a shot. That's a six. Brilliant shot that is. And that's one more. If you are going to bowl it straight, he's just going to throw you out of the park straight. You need to focus on your lines when you're bowling. He's such a great player. No! And six! Bhumi Reality needs to check the score right now. Torpedoes are back in the game. 41 runs. And Parth Malkan saved 6 runs. He went and stretched fully to catch that one, but no run, saved crucial runs for the team. White ball.
Pressure building up. Score right now. You can walk off of the field, please.
That's clever batting. The last ball coming up.
43
Todd
on board.
Felix on 43. Trying something different. Again a white ball. That's a very big over in such an important match. White ball.
24 of the over up till now.
Bhumi needs to come back. Bhumi needs to come back with a brilliant over now. They need to get their ace out.
Score 47 after 3 overs. This was a game-changing over for Torpedoes.
As I mentioned, ace, we can see Aryan with the ball.
They missed the plot. I guess Aryan should have bowled the previous over.
The bygones are bygones.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but it might lead something good if you're saying it in English.
3 overs, 47 for 4. Very good score. One dot ball by Aryan. This is going to be the most important over. And he also goes wide. One more wide. Pressure building for everyone on the field. It's not going to be easy, guys. And wicket. Wicket Dada out. And who is going to be the next one? Coming in for Torpedoes.
Hello. It's going to be Beast Sushant Shivalkar.
Next man comes in, Sushant. He's known for some power hitting.
I guess we should organize a one-on-one match. Sushant versus Tanmay.
Cricket?
Against Saurabh Yadav.
Cricket?
WWE.
And catch! That's a good catch.
Comes in, goes out.
Hat-trick ball for Aryan Lala. This is the over they needed. They have stopped the score at 49.
Next up, every physio's favorite client, Chinu Narwadkar.
Next man walking in.
Fantasy for every physio.
One of the great all-rounders,
Important match, big players stepping up.
Chinu. He needs to play smart. That's good bowling. Aryan has bowled a brilliant over under
49
pressure.
for 6. The bat hurt the turf down. It's not an edge. Neeraj Pichkule. End of over
Respecting the
number
bowler,
4.
respecting the bowler.
49 for 6 after 4 overs.
Now when the next bowler comes in, Siddesh, he has to fill in big shoes because he's going to face the shark, Smarty.
By the looks of it, last two overs will be Tejas and Pichkule. And it was a wicket there.
They have taken a single.
Only if Pichkule was a little agile, could have taken the big wicket there.
Pichkule.
White ball.
White ball by Siddesh.
Good news for Indian fans. Wicket number 1 down. Full toss, no ball. For Saida.
Full toss and no run. And that's a great save by Park. He could have got into the scaffolding. Fortunately he didn't. That's a brilliant save. Guys, these are the moments which will win you matches.
He's a great,
6-run save.
he's a great fielder. He stopped 2 important sixes, but he's upset that he couldn't take the catch. That's what great fielders do.
Thank you, Tanvi, for appreciating my efforts.
That ball and no ball.
3 ball, 53. That's brilliant fielding. Umang has been great throughout. Last 2 balls. One ball. Great save! He is not just giving it away. Parth Mulkan has to be the best fielder. Everyone appreciates. 18 runs saved. 18 runs saved.
He's the only one standing between Smarty and his sixes. Parth Mulkan.
Brilliant save that was. Last ball.
Full toss onto the net.
And
End of over number 5.
55 for 6 after 5 overs. 12 balls remaining. 55 runs. 6 wickets down after the end of 5 overs. And now 12 balls remaining. And Tejas would be facing Smarty. The field changes. Timer is on, guys. Let's be quick. Tejas versus Smarty. Yeah! And this should have been a catch. This could have been a catch. Sadly, it wasn't. Quick ball. Wicket! Tejas is the man. who is giving them wickets every time when the team needs it. Excellent performance today. Tejas Chotalia. Next man comes in.
Taufik Parker, we call him Kaka.
Kaka.
Kaka Babu.
आमचे काका.
56. And getting a quick single there. And that brings Smarty on strike. Time out.
Time out. As usual, time out for Bhumi. Yes!
What a change of pace there by Tejas. Good thinking.
If Smarty stays back till the last over, won't be good for Bhumi Realty.
Because it's going to be tastefully going the last over.
Good bowling, Tejas. He is not given a lot. Last ball of the over.
JP, will he go for the big hit or take a single?
We know Smarty, why he is called Smarty.
Okay, I'm not answering.
Smarty was not
That is
Smarty.
it. That is it.
He could
You
have
had Dheeraj Tijkule in the last over.
leveraged the last over and amplified the score because they will have only 2 players in the team. But sadly, Smarty departs. Now it's Chinu's and Taufik's responsibility to build
8
big
wickets
from
down.
here.
8 wickets down. 2 fielders on the boundary. And Smarty giving away his wicket at the wrong time. 58. क्या कर रहे हैं?
लास्ट ओवर डाले गए टिचकुले. एक प्लेयर को बाहर बैठना होगा. एक प्लेयर बाहर है.
Aditya is going out.
फील्ड चेक कर दो कैप्टन. टिचकुले वर्सेस तौफिक. लेट्स गो.
Coach versus Shagir.
That's good ball. Ticskore gives only single of his first ball. Tight bowling and gets Shriram on strike. White ball.
Priyank on strike.
Ticskore. Extras Nakore Ticskore.
You will understand it. The game would have been different if he was there for the last over. Just 2 fielders on the boundary. What a big
What a shot that is! What a shot! Clean!
Flighted delivery and it was a 6.
Clean hit that is.
66. Right now on board.
67. Third FedEx. In the air,
Nation of strike there.
only a single.
Kaka on strike. He will go and believe his motto should work today, Bhardo. White ball. White again. Pressure building on, pressure building on.
Ticskule is. There's some motivation by Parth Malkan.
Mark his words. ढंग से डालना. Benchmark. Benchmark 6.
It was a difficult one, but Umang gave it all. It was a bit far from his reach.
71, two deliveries. White ball again and again, and are they going? No, they are not.
And they have taken no signal.
Last ball.
73.
And Kaka end it and make it to 79, 80 to win, or will it be a wicket? Last ball. Full toss. And big catch from Akmal Khan, and they end the match at 74 to win.
Brilliant catch, brilliant fielding. Akmal Khan at his best. Now he has to bat as well and chase 74 runs against the mighty Torfedix.
He might not be a bowler in the match, but JP, he has saved 22 runs. 24
Pompey,
runs.
please, Pompey,
thank
please
you.
behave. स्पीकर की एनर्जी डाउन हो रही है. West Indies giving a very tough fight to our Indian team. Only 1 wicket down after 10 overs. Boston Chase is still there.
इसके बाद एक मैच है फिर फाइनल. अलग तरह का सर वाइट
एक
साइन किया साइन ये कितना महीना जेपी ओवर कब से मेरे कान में डाल रहे हैं 1.2 ओरा हां भाई छोड़ा उसने क्या नीचे गिरा ये काम है क्या जिप टाइम वंडरफुल समझता है
ये डाल दे इधर चार्जिंग पे अपना.
एक बार है क्या बच्चे
Brilliant bowling by Turf Eddick so far. 15, last ball. And Parth has taken a single on the last ball. 2 overs, 16 with the loss of 2 wickets. They need 58 in 30 balls. It's quite chaseable. You need to target your bowlers and go big. They have a deep batting lineup coming up. What a shot that is! First 6.
Waits and waits for the ball to climb on him, and what a good shot. And there it is, the big wicket, what they were looking for. He was taking Bhumi Reality in the finals. Up till now, everyone else will have to step up for the Manoj score.
It's not over yet. They have a deep batting lineup. Tanmay, Aryan, Tejas, Sandy. All giants batting up.
Pompey had his heart in his mouth when the ball popped out. But a good take. Pressure match, important catches.
थोड़ा टाइम के लिए गोटी मुंह में था.
It's a live YouTube match going on, JP. We have a lot of family members watching.
शास्त्री भी बोला था. कभी भी नहीं.
Dot ball.
This is turning out to be a very good over for Turf Eddick. He did go for a 6, but now that's a great comeback. With the wicket of Parth. They are very much in the game. And then the 6!
Chennai.
Tanmay Shinoy. has got the fight in him.
45 46.
26 में 45 चाहिए. White ball.
Could have been a single if it didn't hurt the stump. Hello.
Flicked it on the onside for a single, and they repeat 43 in 24. This is anyone's game from here.
Doable for Bhumi Reality. They have that much power in their batting. Tanmay, Aditya, Tejas.
Malkan.
Aryan.
Big shot by the Big Show. That's the straight six down the ground.
He is in red hot form.
One more six. Tanmay got Bhumi back in the game. Now only 31 needed in 22. Vijay Dada.
Just 1-6 behind now.
And that would be single will get Aditya on strike. Aditya has to hit it. He has to hit 1-6.
Good shot there by Aditya Pali.
That could have been a good hit, but great save by Pompey once again. That's a great ball, great comeback by Vijay Dada.
29 now of 19. 4 sixes. White ball.
White ball. He tried with one hand. Kunal tried with one hand. This could have been a big wicket for Torpedex.
One-handed catch and two off Tanmay bat. Not easy at all. Now they are just 4 sixes into the game. 28 of 18. 28 of 18. 27 of 18. Time for Yadav to buy a new mobile.
Smarty. Smarty takes a big wicket. Tanmay was looking to hit it above Kunal. So hit right in the hands of Kunal. And Tanmay departs now with a brilliant cameo which Bhumi needed.
Good short selection, but just didn't get the elevation, and as it was a boundary or a 6 for sure.
Next man comes in, Mahindra Singh Agarwal. Sandy Bhai. They've taken a single. Sandy Bhai has given strike to Aditya. Aditya. Bowling, one more wicket for Harsh.
Smarty with the bat, Smarty with the ball.
Next man comes in, the icon of iron, Now they need to bat deep. It's a quite achievable score. They need to bat smart and win it for the team.
So good innings from the icon of Orthopedics now required from the icon of Bhumi Reality. They are not.
Last ball of the over.
Halkan! Par!
No run. Now all responsibility on Sandy Bhai and Aryan Gala. They need 26 of 12 balls.
Just 4 sixes and they are winning this match. 4 sixes now for Bhumi Reality. 26 of 12. Sushant Shivalkar.
The next bowler, who is going to take the lead in this tournament, Tanvir? What do you feel?
This is going to be a crucial over. Sushant Shivalkar has defended 6 runs. Then he defended 3 runs. Went for a lot of runs in Om Sai Vikings match, but again came back the last 2 matches. So right now, 26 of 12 and he's bowling. Great fielding there by Smarty.
Only a single. They need now 25 in 11.
And he's out.
Wicket. The icon departs. Bhumi looks in a slight trouble now.
25 of 10. Big wicket of Aryan Gala. And it was a great shot and good stop by Sushant Shivalkar. As I said, he's a good bowler. He just went for plenty in one match, but he's bowled really economical throughout the tournament. And chance of a run out. He hit the throw at the wrong end. The throw was at the wrong end. Bowler's end was nearby. Karan Vora, intention. He has to bowl the last over. 6 of 4 and they get a boundary.
Much needed 4 by Tejas Chutalia.
Benchmark 4. 8 balls. 7 balls, 19.
7 में 19.
Match ball.
And there was a one more powerful hit.
Another great shot by
But
Sushant.
only
18.
single. They need 18. 3 sixes from here will be the decider between Bhumi and Orthopedics, who will go through in the tournament and take the lead. Karan Vora will be bowling the last crucial over. All eyes on Karan Vora. What a shot!
Dot ball.
That is not a wide ball which the batsman was expecting, but that's okay. That's okay. That's completely fine. We need 12 runs in 4.
One big hit.
Brilliant hitting that is.
6 of 3.
Brilliant hitting that is. It is all stars legacy, guys.
He was spending what are you doing right now? So
It's a slower one and That's not out. And they have changed the strike.
required.
They have changed
Not
the strike.
required.
This was not required.
He was hitting those sixes. One dot would not matter.
But they have service
6 of
now.
2. 6 of 2.
6 of 2.
JP. Now Sarvesh has a lot of to think whether he goes for the big six, which he can,
I think Sarvesh has the capability to hit.
or he takes
A sixer from here.
to Tejas, who's already hit 2 sixes. Bad call there of taking the single.
I think Sarvesh should just go out of the ground.
Pressure, pressure, pressure. Penultimate ball. Very important ball this. 6 of 2. And
That's a wicket. Bhumi Realty needs a 6 to qualify to the semi-finals. That one run by Tejas and that run out has costed
Balkan.
एक बॉल 6 18 चाहिए था 18 चाहिए था तो फिक्स आया
one ball.
all eyes on this ball, match ball. Okay, let's play last ball, one ball, 6 runs.
And the Starfenix into the semi-finals.
What a great match we have in
Bhumi Realty goes for the three margin.
Nobody is at
And
fault.
they are not happy. Tejas, after the brilliant innings, that one run which they went for, have costed Bhumi Realty
Congratulations.
a big loss.
Moving ahead is Starfenix. Important match there. JP walking off.
अभी मैं चार्जेबल हो गया
And we have 2 more matches.